Hello everyone, I'm Clara. Welcome to my Working with Data and Code project presentation. So let's begin with my project plan first. My plan is to use Scratch to create an animation of the story of Qihan drinking water. I will use different coding tools in the Scratch to combine them to achieve this goal. For this project, the first I want to achieve is the animation creation, and the second one is to improve my coding literacy, so as to have a deep understanding of how coding works. So why this project is interesting for me? Actually, this is my first time creating a small animation in Codeway, which is interesting because it is a fresh and challenging task for me. Another interesting thing is when I was experimenting with Scratch, I found that I was free to try several times, try with different code combinations in a puzzle style way. At the same time, I can create what I want, such as drawing a stone element by myself, or design the water level of glasses, and decide what would be in my project. So it's very interesting experience I've never tried before. So I'm going to share with you my little animation here. First of all, I create a title animation at the beginning of my video. So let's get started. As you can see from the video, I added the background music to the whole story. In addition to the flying action of the crown, I also present a language box which make it more vivid. I also make the animation only pick up the stone and put it in the water, and the water level will increase. So this is journal, theme, and plan for my project. The next question for how to strengthen my code literacy. From what I've been doing with Scratch over the last few weeks, I think it's very friendly to people who don't have coding experience like me. It has clear division of sections such as element area, code tool areas like here, design areas, and other sections for us to operate. And it is organized and clear for us to use. For example, when I was doing crown flying, I would directly go to the code tool section and find the motion here. Also, it can try many times to different composition of code. So whether your code combination is correct or not, you can try many times if you want. So how to achieve my project? Firstly, I need to create a plot for my project first and list all elements and characteristics I need to use. For example, for my plot, I will plan to need a crown, a glass of water, and a pile of stones. So just have a clear list here. I also need to watch the Scratch learning tutorials and materials on the canvas, which can help me familiar with the main uses of Scratch, such as where to insert images and create animations. So finally, I will keep trying different animations and tools in Scratch in order to achieve my project to be successful. So that is all my presentation today. Thanks for listening.